In 1977, scientists working to discover alien life detected a strange signal that was too loud and too precise to ignore. Is there a chance that this so-called wow signal was actually a transmission sent from intelligent life somewhere in outer space? Let's find out in today's episode of
Colossal Mysteries.
Our story starts with a single astronomer working at Ohio State back in the 70s. The university was recording signals from the Big Ear radio telescope on campus. The data was part of the school's SETI project, which stands for Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. Jerry Amon was one of the volunteers working to analyze the computer records from the Big Ear. For weeks, Amon had been working with a team to hand-check all the data the computer was spitting out, looking for anything strange or unexplained. While poring over information collected 3 days earlier, Jerry Amon noticed something that left him and his colleagues completely shocked. 6EQUJ5. It represented a giant burst of noise from deep space, about 30 times louder than any sound recorded. The string of numbers and letters was by far the most promising lead in answering one of mankind's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Amon circled a series of digits with a red pen and wrote "wow" in big letters next to it. Because of this, the strange frequency has become known as the wow signal. To understand what makes the signal so stunning, we need to go back a few decades earlier. That's when two smart scientists theorized that if aliens wanted to make contact with Earth, they would likely send radio signals rather than trying to travel all the way across the universe. They also predicted the frequency extraterrestrials would use, 1,420 megahertz. Their research was vital in developing the Big Ear Radio Observatory, which was turned on for the first time in 1963. Over the next 14 years, the tower searched day and night, but never found anything especially interesting. Until that fateful night in August of 1977, when Jerry Amon discovered the wow signal buried in the data. To this day, the wow signal remains the single best bit of extraterrestrial evidence ever detected in outer space. The team was able to track the transmission to the constellation Sagittarius, which contains hundreds of thousands of stars. For weeks afterwards, the team pointed their telescope at the constellation in question, hoping the signal would repeat, but it never did. Experts were stumped and considered all sorts of different possibilities. But maybe the most popular theory is that the sounds actually came from a pair of comets that passed overhead around the time the signal was recorded. But it's never been proven, leaving the perplexing wow signal shrouded in mystery and giving alien enthusiasts hope that the transmission may have been made by intelligent life somewhere in space. So until scientists can provide proof of what caused the strange signal, there will always be a small chance that aliens may have indeed made first contact, however unlikely that may be.